Join me as I dive into the world of Ewbc stock and see if I can predict whether it will soar in the future. Ewbc stock has been making waves in the market lately, and for good reason. As a key player in its industry, its performance can have a significant impact on the overall market sentiment. So, it's no wonder that many investors are keeping a close eye on its future prospects. When we take a closer look at Ewbc stock, there are several challenges that immediately come to mind. For one, market volatility has been on the rise, and this can make it difficult for investors to make informed decisions. Additionally, Ewbc operates in a highly competitive space, which means it's constantly battling for market share. Furthermore, the regulatory environment is always evolving, and this can have a significant impact on the company's bottom line. And finally, we can't ignore the fact that global economic trends can also influence the stock's performance. Each of these challenges presents a significant uncertainty for Ewbc stock, making it difficult to predict its future with certainty. However, by taking a closer look at each of these factors, we can start to get a better sense of what might be in store for the company. For example, if we see a decrease in market volatility, it could create a more stable environment for Ewbc to operate in. Or, if the company is able to successfully navigate the competitive landscape, it could lead to increased revenue and profitability. As we try to make sense of these challenges, it's also important to consider the various factors that could influence Ewbc stock performance. For instance, if we see a trend towards increased adoption of the company's products or services, it could lead to increased revenue and growth. At the same time, economic indicators such as GDP growth or inflation rates can also have a significant impact on the stock's performance. And let's not forget about company-specific developments, such as new product launches or changes in leadership, which can also influence the stock's price. When we take all of these factors into account, we start to get a clearer picture of what might be in store for Ewbc stock in the future. For instance, if we see a continued trend towards increased adoption of the company's products, combined with a stable economic environment, it could lead to significant growth and increased profitability. Or, if the company is able to successfully navigate the competitive landscape, it could lead to increased market share and revenue. As I look at all of the data and trends, I'm going to take an educated guess and say that Ewbc stock has the potential to soar in the future. Of course, there are no guarantees, and the market can be unpredictable. But based on the current trends and data, I think there's a strong case to be made for Ewbc's continued growth and success. To summarize, we've taken a closer look at the challenges facing Ewbc stock, as well as the various factors that could influence its performance. We've also highlighted some of the key trends and data points that suggest the stock has the potential to soar in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on Ewbc stock in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on investing in the stock market. And if you're interested in learning more about investing in the stock market, I've got another video on that topic that you might find helpful.